Fun with colors! Hi everyone! Today let's learn how to draw Chhota Bheem. Let's begin with the face and the hair. Oh wow! Chhota Bheem has come to say hello to all of you. This is the hand, and now let's draw the body. The sun has come up. It's a bright sunny day. Let's keep drawing the other hand, and now his legs. Today we are drawing a picture in which Chhota Bheem is riding a skateboard. So let's start drawing the skateboard now. For more coloring videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's draw the round and round wheels. Okay, so now let's talk about Chhota Bheem. Do you know where does he live? He lives in Dholakpur. And do you know who is his best friend? Yes, it's Chutki. Let's keep drawing the eyes, nose and the lips. If you wish to color this image, you can go in the description box and download the image from the link given. It's ready! Let's color with fun with colors. This is black color. Let's keep coloring the hair with black color. This is yellow color. Can you guess what color is that? Correct! It's orange color. Let's keep coloring the face and the body with orange color. I love how these green eyes of Chhota Bheem are going round and round. You know, Chhota Bheem is an extremely brave, strong and intelligent young boy. He often manages to solve everyone's problems, which endears him to the townspeople of Dholakpur. Can you guess which color is that? Correct! This is red color. This is brown color. Let's keep coloring the skateboard with brown color. On the show Chhota Bheem, Bheem solves various problems affecting the village, unraveling mysteries, fighting evils that seek to harm the people of Dholakpur. Like the skateboard, can you name a few things that can be brown in color? Yes, it can be wood, the animal camel, and many other things too. Let's keep coloring the brown color in the wheels too. also wish to color this image of Chhota Bheem, you can click on the link given in the description box and download the image. This is purple color. It's ready! For more coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon. Bye!